Hello, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is an update of the marigold seeds that I have actually sown in the soil about, it's been approximately 2 months now. It took actually 2 months for the buds to start to open and to show the full bloom. This is the first bud that has opened, and the first day I saw only the outer layer has opened up, and gradually during the next 2 days this center part has also opened up. But for this kind of flower, which is French marigolds dwarf variety, for this variety there is just one layer of flowers, if you see. So this is the stalk of the flower. There is only one layer here, and in the center I think these are just the pollen, but there are no other layers. And this looks very healthy, and this is also a very nice bright color. And also this is the other flower that has completely opened, and there are some other flowers that are just opening. For example, this one, you see, this is still tiny, it has to open up. Maybe in they're taking just 2 to 3 days to open up completely. So for example, this one, so in the first day I see some of the petals coming out like this, and overnight it's going to show some progress to something like this, and then some full flower will open up. There are lots of other buds, if you see this, and if you see here, and most of the I have also tried to do some cuttings on the top of the stem. Let me show. I think not for this one. So I did not for few stems I have left it like that. For example, this if you consider this stem, this is the main stem, and from this it gave out many branches. I did not do any cutting, just to see how many buds it will give if without any cutting. And I see that this is the first flower that is coming from that particular stem, and if you see here, there is one more bud that is coming, and over here there is one more bud that is coming. At least there are 3 to 4 for each stem. But we are supposed to do some cuttings like this. For example, here if you see in the center, here I made a cutting. After that it gave these 3 branches, 1, 2 and 3, and they grew out very healthy. They are thick, and but on the tips I do not see any bud in the tip yet. I think they might take some time to open. And also this stems will be giving out a few other branches in the maybe from here. And also if you see here, in between where these leaves are there, just in front of this leaf there will be another small tiny branch coming, and flowers will be coming. So if it try to pinch off the tips of the stem, the flowers might take lot of time to show up, but there will be lot of buds coming from each stem. And in the other pot I have this flower that is going to open. I think this color looks little bit light, so this looks just like lighter color than this one. This was supposed to be actually a mixed blend, but so far I am seeing just all the stems being same color. For example, if you see these two, they are same. I think this also looks something like same like that one, and also this one looks same, but there is just some difference with this one. It is little bit yellow. Maybe I have to wait and see if there are other as lot of colors are of this color. Maybe I'm just wishing for some light color like yellow, and I'm just trying to water them every day. They need lot of water. That's what I have noticed. For this pot I am doing bottom watering because there is no space, and I have noticed some fungal gnats, so I do not want flies. So I'm trying to do bottom watering, and the top soil will be dry. So if you see, the top soil is dry, so that there is no flies. And this is all in the just in the Miracle Grow potting mix for blooms. I did not use any fertilizer, and this one is not having, this pot is not having any drainage holes, but still they are doing good because I'm just keeping an eye on the amount of water I'm using for the pot. Like every other day I'm watering this pot, and this pot I'm watering every day in the morning. That's it. I'm also trying to this is something that I have took out where I trimmed this top part. This top part I have took and I have planted in this one. It's been about 3 days, and this one will also root, and it will also have flowers. So when I trimmed that part, it had a small bud. Let me show. So here it has a small bud. I did not want to throw that cutting, just hoping this bud will also grow and open up, and even from here we will have more buds coming. So if you make any cuttings, and at least if we have 2 nodes length, I think we can just take it back and put it in soil directly. Do not put in water. I tried propagating in the water, but the stem is just opening up and having a slit, but it will not grow any roots. It is easy and to grow it directly in the soil. It will take it might look little bit droopy, like 1 to 2 days it will look droopy because it has no roots. The leaves will look droopy, but if we keep watering the soil constantly for 2 days, after 3 days again, see, if you see this one, it looks like actual plant only. It doesn't look like a cutting that has no roots. So I think in 2 days they will grow roots very fast, and this is doing good. That's it. So I'm hoping, I thought it will look wonderful if all of these will open up at the same time, but I think so far I am having just 4 or 5 flowers at a time. Let's see when we will have the maximum number of blooms at the same time. Thank you for watching.